Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Tammy. Now for today's video, I am going to be doing 3 glam DIY upcycles. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamette, let's get this DIY video started. And Glamettes, this video today is a do-it-yourself revamp or upcycle. Now these are 3 vases that I actually purchased from Dollar General. The small vase, you guys, was $10. The medium vase was $12. And the larger vase was $15. And I purchased these for the sole purpose of upcycling. I actually purchased 2 sets, but I wanted to actually revamp these. So we're going to take those vases. I'm also using Krylon Cover Max True Blue Gloss Spray Paint. I'm going to spray paint these pieces, and I'm also going to be using bbcraft.com. This is their crushed diamond epoxy hot fix sheet, and it is self-adhesive. We're going to be using this as well, and I'm going to be adding in some Total Dazzle gems probably as well. But we're going to paint these pieces, and once I come back, we'll jump into this video. To you guys, I'm pre-cutting my pieces, and the paint's already dried, and I'm doing my usual. I'm letting you see where I'm gonna put what and how it looks beforehand. We're gonna totally jazz up these vases. To you guys, I am using this crushed diamond epoxy hot fix sheet. It says self-adhesive, and this hot fix sheet is actually sponsored by bbcraft.com, along with the mirror mosaic tile that I am using. I'm dropping the links for bbcraft, the mirror mosaic tile, and the diamond epoxy sheets down in my description box. Make sure you do check out my description box always. I keep affiliate links and discount codes down there, and you may find something that's very useful for yourself. And if you click on any of the links of mine, it doesn't cost you anything extra. You'll just receive a discount, and I'll receive a small commission. To family, make sure you become a part of the Glam Queen brand. That's the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. Now we've got this top neck of this vase jazzed up, and I'm going to layer a piece of that epoxy sheet down the facing or the front of the vase. So still follow me along. And you have to be very careful with the self-adhesive epoxy sheet because it sticks extremely well. This piece had to be painted on the outside, and when you have a piece that's painted on the outside, these epoxy sheets or any self-adhesive sheets has the tendency to rip off your paint if you have to pull it off or readjust it. So just keep that in mind. Now that I have that completed, we're going to line up some of that mirror mosaic tile. Now you guys, this mirror mosaic tile, it is the 5mm cut. Again, the link for it is in the description, along with the link for this diamond epoxy sheets. And to Glam Mats, we are bringing content back on the channel on our regular scheduled program. Drop me a comment, some things you would like to see. Also, don't forget to hit that email, because I am getting a lot of email for DIY project suggestions, and I have been looking at some of those as well. So if you are inspired or would like to see me create something in particular, make sure you leave it in the comments or shoot me an email. All of that information for the email is in the description. And to family, if you want some fall inspiration, also make sure you look at that playlist link for 2021 fall decor, DIY room decor and home decorating ideas. I included that link in my description box. It is a vast array of my viewers' favorite DIYs from last fall. So if you need some inspiration, make sure you do check out that playlist. And two, family, be mindful if you're using the mirrored mosaic tile, you can easily cut yourself. I just used it a lot. So if you're kind of a beginner with using the mirrored mosaic tile, I would recommend you using some type of glove on your hand while you're using this tile. Now this is what it's looking, this vase is looking like now. We're going to add a 2-row mirrored strip around the side, and we're going to continue to jazz this beautiful elevated Dollar Tree vase. You heard me right, you guys. This is that same Dollar Tree vase that we have took it up a notch. And make sure you stay tuned at the end to see where we do style these pieces in my home. But if not, I'll just show you an overview of what they look like completely finished. And if this is your first time tuning in to the Glam Queen of DIY, I want to welcome you today. Now, you may be wondering, what do you get here on the Glam Queen of DIY? You get a lot of glam, high-end DIYs, always budget-friendly DIYs at that, you guys. We do revamps, upcycles, we do a little bit of home renovations as well. So if you like to see anything in a do-it-yourself style tutorial, this is the channel for you. We also bring you a lot of hacks, so make sure you stay tuned. And like I say, if this is your first time tuning in and all of that sounds interesting to you, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, and you will know every time that I am uploading a video. And we're also adding that mirror mosaic tile around the neck or the top portion of the vase as well. And we're bringing this DIY almost near the close. We're just adding in those final pieces. And I always, when I'm using mirror tile or even the diamond epoxy sheets, when I look at my pieces, you guys, you're gonna see me attempt to line it up just off of my eye, but this is how it's looking finished. And I'm going to let you see all of 3 of the pieces, you guys. Now don't forget to drop me a comment and let me know if this is a DIY project you would consider trying as well. And if you do try it, let me know what color you would use as well. You will be seeing this blue style in my home or somebody's home for that matter coming very soon. Make sure you do check to see the clip where I do style it for you. Now, you've been rocking with your girl for a while. You know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Don't forget to become part of that Glam Queen family, and that is the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. All links are in the description. Have a blessed and wonderful day.